a total different look for Christmas vacation. We've got the red, we've got the green, we've got some brilliant colors of green. We have laser cut out wood ornaments on this tree, and we also have some very intricate and detailed metal snowflakes, and they come in 4 different colors. So that's what you're going to see here. This is kind of a winter green. We have this shade right here. And we'll be able to show you these on the ornament wall as well. And then we have these pillow ornaments that are on the tree. They're super cute. Love the pillow ornaments. And then the designers did something with this tree that I think is exceptional. You'll notice at the very top, they happen to have a snow globe for the top of the tree. And they put that up there, even though it was heavy. If you think about snow globes, you think they're generally pretty heavy. But what they did is they anchored these to tree arms. And so they have tree arms at different places in the tree to hold the weight. And I asked him, because I thought if I did this at home myself, my snow globe would be on the floor in like 20 minutes. And he said what they did is they put the tree arms in, anchored them to the trunk of the tree, and then they went ahead and they fixed some Velcro to the bottom of the snow globe and to the tree arm to make sure that it was really strongly set. And these are very strongly set. I've tried to pull on them a few times. All right, wait a minute. The dogs are a big part of Christmas vacation as well. And this is an oversized dog on a sled coming down our tree. He's fun. And then don't forget that we actually have matching ribbon, printed matching ribbon to match everything in this collection. This collection is very eclectic, I think. It has a little bit of Santa in a car. We have a little bit of the glamping with the snow globes that happen to be campers that are redone. We have the vibrant colors because we have these on the stems with a little bit of the jewel. And then we have, fun things like a little red car with all of your trees and trimmings right on top. But it all comes together in Christmas vacation. Move on around. Here's the red one before we leave. I'll show you that. I should mention, these are also clip-on lights for the candles. And you can turn these on and off with simple little remote control. And the remote control is super easy. It has on and it has off. That's it, just on, off. You can't get confused. So you can walk around to your tree, turn the whole thing on at the same time, even for those lights all the way up at the top.